Okay, so for the basic commercial, that'll be about $5,000 and 3 weeks to get it to you.
Actually, I'm thinking about doing it myself.
Smart businesses are using AI to create stunning videos in minutes.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs
while producing better results than your local video editor. Imagine turning a single idea into a viral commercial that looks like it costs thousands in minutes.
Okay, so now that we're at Runway ML and it's runwayml.com, we're going to go ahead and get started. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and hit get started, sign up, and then from there you're going to have a dashboard. Once you're signed up, you can actually go in and we'll start a session right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start a session, and it's going to be blank. And you can name it, so I'll call it YouTube tutorial. Jeez, can't spell. Okay, so I've got my YouTube tutorial. I've filled out that part. Now I can actually put in some folders, do other stuff if I want to keep everything organized. For now, I'm just going to show you the layout. So what you're going to see is you're going to see a text prompt here. You can drop an image and do a text prompt here. You can use camera control. You're going to do Act-One, and you can expand video. Now what we're going to do, because you can do text to video, but we're not doing that on this one. What we're doing on this one is we're taking video and then we're using that video to generate other video. And it'll make sense as I show you how to do this. So you're going to go to Act-One. So go ahead and click on Act-One. And then what you're going to see is there's basically video driving performance. So you can click on see tips and tricks. I'll kind of explain all these things. And then there's also like the university or learning how to use it better. But that's what this tutorial is for. So definitely going to help you with that. All right. Now what you can do is you can hit start recording. And then it's going to ask to use the microphone and the camera. And so like this is actually from like my laptop. And so I'd have to like sit clear back here and do that. That's not really what I want to do. But if you did have your laptop, you can adjust it so that you're using the camera. I prefer to select an asset of something that I've already copied. So that's what I'm going to do first. So I'm going to go ahead and click select asset. And then I'm going to upload the asset. And I'm going to go into my file. And you'll see right here, I have Joe green screen MP4. It's 42 megabytes. Now remember, this can only be 30 seconds. It will get longer as this gets better, but right now that's all you can do. So I've uploaded, or I'm uploading, a 15-second video. And you can be surprised at like how much you can fit in 15 seconds. But I'm uploading a 15-second video, and it's going to detect the human face. So one of the things that you're going to do is you want to make sure you avoid having your hand movements up high or anything distracting that goes over the face, or it's not going to look or sound right. So you're going to want to make sure that you actually have the clip, basically just a plain clip of yourself. So I have this 19-second clip of me just talking and moving. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation. So there we go. That is pretty much it. That's all it is. It's just that, okay? So then what we're going to do is, now that we have our source video, so this video, we have the source here of, okay, this is what I want to make, but I want to have a graphic or a video. So we're going to go through all the different things you can do with this. So now I could have this person right here, and if there's, see how they're just kind of moving and talking, my mouth could be doing that. Or if I wanted robots to do it. I've never done that one. Maybe we should try it. And then we've got someone that's sitting there talking. That would be interesting. A person walking. A monkey talking. That one is kind of cool. This little girl talking. Let's try this one and maybe this one. These are kind of cool. So then what you're going to do is you're going to click on it. And after you click on it, then you're going to want to make sure that you're on Gen 3 Alpha Turbo. it's going to be the fastest for your video rendering, and you can always up it, like you can upscale it after if you like it, but what we're doing is testing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. Now I've never actually done this one, so we'll see how it turns out. So now what I hit is I hit generate, and it's like, okay, you are generating the video, and then you'll see I have my credits up here, and it will export to the YouTube tutorial. So now I'm just going to kind of hang out. Now, if I wanted to, I could go do some other stuff, which I actually am going to do because I'm going to show you how you can piece all of this together. So I am in RunwayML.com right now. I'm going to open up another tab, and this tab is going to be ElevenLabs. And in ElevenLabs, this is a voice clone, so you can change your voice. Now, I'm looking at this guy going, what kind of a voice does he have? Probably like an annoying voice or geeky voice. So I'm going to go down to voice changer in ElevenLabs. If you haven't heard of ElevenLabs, I'll put a link down in the description, and you can click on it and check it out. So so here I'm going to do voice changer. And then what's cool is as long as my video file is under 50 megabytes, I can actually upload the video file. If I needed to, I could just extract the audio from the video, but I'm just going to go ahead and bring up the same video file that I just put in RunwayML because it's only 42 megabytes. So I'm going to go ahead and hit open. And then you can see it's like 20 seconds and it's got it there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to find a voice that I want to use. Let's try.
My name is Kavya, and I really love telling stories. So please.
That one's crazy. Let's try this one. I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to try it. So we'll go ahead and stop, and I'm going to go ahead. I've selected the mad scientist, and it's pulling Joe green screen, and it's going to.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs.
That's awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and download it. So it's downloaded, and then I'm going to make a couple other audios of it.
It had this like creepy ass clown dog with big red.
I'm going to try that one too. That guy, it might be more of that guy's style. So now I'm taking and changing my voice to this Austin boy. I'm going to try that one too.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80%.
Okay, so now I've got another one. So just this alone, like doing voiceovers and all of that, is going to save you like so much time. Let's do one more. Let's find one.
Are you looking for a fresh and engaging voice for...
Tomorrow was the first day of school. I was so excited.
Let's try that one too.
I loved learning, but I was also nervous.
So let's do.
First day at my new school.
Let's go ahead and do that one as well. I'll do a whole nother tutorial on ElevenLabs if you want. Just comment below if you want it.
How RunwayML is helping companies.
Okay, so I've got it. So I'm going to download that one as well. Then I'm going to go back here and let's see what this did. Okay, so I'm back. It's done. We're going to go ahead and you can listen to it with my voice. In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs while producing better results than your local video editor. That's pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And then what I've done is I've actually created in Adobe Premiere, I've downloaded that, and I also took the voices that we created from ElevenLabs, and I've now, I can show you now how to put it together. So I'm going to drag this on here, and what you're going to see is you're going to see the, let's get this together. So you're going to see the first clip in this tutorial. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click these.
ML is
And I'm going to put in the actual ElevenLabs clone or voice changer that we just did. So now if I press play.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs.
So if I liked that voice, I could go ahead and render it out. Let's check this one.
ML is helping
I kind of like this voice, So I'm going to go ahead and put this one in here.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping
He
companies
sounds
save up
kind
to
of nasally.
80%
That's kind of what I would think, is he's a nasally guy.
on their content creation costs while producing better results than your local video editor. Imagine.
So then where it says imagine, we could bring in another one. So what I did just to save time in the tutorial is I picked the very next one, which, if you remember, was over here under video, and it was this one right here. So I rendered it out as well. That looks like it cost thousands. Got my voice again, went into Adobe Premiere, and in here, I'm going to click on it. That's another one that I did. I'll show you that one in a minute. And I'm just going to drop it. And I'm not going to keep my voice because I already know that it's going to be different. And because I'm using the same ElevenLabs clip, as long as I line it up, the mouth and everything should line up perfectly with the same.
Companies save up to 8.
So now I got to find
I'll show you
her voice.
I'll show you how Runway ML
In this tutorial,
Yeah, let's do this one.
is helping companies.
So then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it right here. So now it's going to here, and this isn't an editing tutorial, so I'm not going to like spend a ton of time showing you the editing part. I'm just basically showing you how easy it is to swap stuff out.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs while producing better results than your local video editor.
In this tutorial,
So then I have both of those, and then where it says while, so I'm going to take
80%.
And actually, if I went like this, it would be faster. So then I'm going to go in here. I'm actually going to stop it right here. And we'll cut this one. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then we get rid of that. And that. Okay. So now it should be, oops, should be like this.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs
while producing better results than your local video editor. Imagine turning a single idea into a viral commercial that looks like it costs thousands in minutes.
Also, what we made is we made a graphic that we uploaded, and that graphic that we uploaded was this image that I made in Midjourney. So you can see the Midjourney image there, that they prompt for it. We uploaded it, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how Runway ML is helping companies save up. Amazing how well that stuff looks. So I downloaded that one as well, and I made another voice in ElevenLabs, and all of this took maybe 5 minutes. The tutorial is way longer because I have to explain everything, but this goes so fast. You can really cut up a whole script pretty quick. Okay, so I got that one, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to put it just here so you can hear it. And then I also have the guy right there. This is like a Pixar version of it, but let's go ahead and check it out.
Looks like it costs thousands in minutes.
in this tutorial, I'll show
So then we've got my voice with that guy's voice, so let's get rid of that.
you how Runway ML is helping companies save up to 80% on their content creation costs while producing better results than your local video editor.
That is crazy. If you ask your local video editor to do that, if he doesn't know AI, he's going to be like, yeah, I can't do that. It costs too much money. It would take too long. It would cost too much money is, I don't know how to do it. So this is why it's so powerful. And you can clip this up as if you have a script going back and forth. And then from that back and forth, all you have to do is upload these files. 30 seconds is a lot. Especially if you could do 10-second clips, get everything that you need, and then using the same clip, change the voice in ElevenLabs, and you've got a whole commercial.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I release new AI tutorial videos every week for business owners just like you.